friend, our today topic is perfect cadence. So let's read about the cadence. Cadence are like punctuation in the sentence. They give structure and meaning to the music. A perfect cadence acts as a musical full stop and is made by following the dominant chord with the tonic. You can see this is a chord symbols they have given here as a 5 and 1. For grade 3 you need to be able to recognize these chord progression in a piece of music. So remember these things, they are like punctuations. Okay, and second thing, it is perfect cadence is like a full stop. Okay, made by dominant with the tonic. Yeah, made by dominant with the tonic one. Okay, so let's do this. Remember this thing, the seventh degree usually leads up to the tonic when it is part of the dominant chord in the last cadence of a piece. Remember that. Okay, it means to say that whenever you have to check the perfect cadence, you have to check the chords, the dominant chord finishing with the tonic chord that I'll explain you in exercise. So as you can see, here is a perfect cadence in C major. So if it's a C major, so you can see this is a 4 chord notes they have given. So the note should be, we should use in this one is, if this is a tonic is C major, it should be C, D, E, F, G and C, right? So these are the chords. Now if we take C major, then C major is C, D, E, F, G, A, B and C, right? Now if we'll check the dominant chord in this one, so that will start from 1 2 3 4 5. So we take from G, it should be G, B and D and G again, because this is a 4 chord. So now let's see from C note. If you see from the dominant, you can see the chord symbol here, sign. So this is showing the fifth one, that means the G chords. G chord, you can see the note here is, this one is G, right? This one is again G, this one is D and this one is B. Now we talking about the seventh degree should lead to the tonic. So that means the seventh degree of the fifth dominant. So this is the dominant one, right? So in dominant we have notes is G, D and B. Now in the C major scale, the B is the seventh note, which is called a leading note. So that lead, if this comes here and this is leading to the C note, the tonic note, which is leading here, that means it is a perfect cadence. See, it is not about from G to C. You can see it is leading here also to C. But G is not the seventh note of the C major scale. Okay, it is a dominant note. But we have to see the seventh note, the leading note should be moving to the tonic note in the chord. Then it makes a perfect cadence. Okay, so if you see the fifth chord and in the fifth chord, wherever the seventh note is leading to the tonic note, that it makes a perfect cadence. Now if you see here, right, they're showing that it could be like this. So if you see here, over here also we have, this is G, this is G as well, this is D and this is B again. So you can see here again the seventh note of C major scale is leading to C, and which is a first, this is a tonic triad and this is a dominant triad, right? So make sure the seventh note leads to the tonic note. Now, if you see in this example here, you can see this is our A minor scale. So A minor scale, the scale would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. So this is the leading note, seventh note, right? And the tonic triad would be A, C, E and again A as a 4 chord. And the dominant would be E, G and B and then again G, right? So the first, you can see this is the fifth one. So that means the note we have given is E here, then this is given here B, then from B this one is our G and this one is E note. So you can see the 4 notes in the dominant chord, they've given E, B, G and E. Now this is the first chord, tonic chord. So the tonic triad chord is, you can see this is A, right, and this one is C, then this one is again this one is A, and this one is E, right, because E, C and E are covered here, and A. Now if you see, this one is from B, this one is from E to A, but this is not, and this is not straight away leading to the next note. This is, you can see more intervals here, but this one you can see is straight away the next step to the tonic note, which is A, and this is our B note, so sorry, G note. So, and you can see this is the seventh note, leading note of A minor scale. So we can see that this is from dominant triad leading to the tonic triad, and here is A. So that's why it makes a perfect cadence. Okay, just remember to this, and if you have any question in regards to this, you want to know more about this, just let me know, and please ask me more questions in the suggestion box, and please share and subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much.